and welcome back to our caravan. If you think that your room, bedroom, flat, apartment or area are not good enough, are too small, are not fancy enough, maybe you could live in a nicer place, have a bit more up-to-date furniture, maybe some design stuff around you. Keep watching this video, because if you think that living in a caravan full-time is hard, listen to this. We've been living in a caravan full-time with our dog for the last week without running water. So, keep watching if you are interested. If you want to change your perspective on your immediate environment, on the way you live, on your living conditions, keep watching this video if you want to see how we adapted to life without water in our taps. Of course, it didn't happen overnight. The pump was playing up for the last few weeks, but we were just too busy with our campsite job. But it seems that we reached the final station with our water pump. You've probably never thought of what it would be like without water in your taps. Well, overnight, our life changed dramatically, and the simplest activities, the simplest things you do every day, became complicated operations. If we don't refill our coffee machine, which we use instead of a kettle, making a cuppa these days involves putting your shoes on, putting your jacket on, and getting outside to fetch water. And we are super lucky that we have water tap on our pitch, because we have a fully serviced pitch. Before that, our water tap was by this bin over there. Give this video a like if you also love tea. It's getting even more interesting in our bathroom. We normally don't shower here, but even if you wanted, now we can't. Without a running water pump, we can't shower. But forget the shower, even a simple thing like brushing teeth, you need water for it. The whole experience made us really humble and really appreciative of water. So let me know if you keep your water running while you brush your teeth, or do you turn the tap off? Are you a good person? Do you save water? So many people globally don't have access to clean water, and we keep wasting it every day. Anyway, in the last week I learned that I need probably just a third of the cup to wash my teeth, and my toothbrush, and even a sink. All of us have been affected by not having a running water pump and no water in our taps. All chores involving water suddenly became difficult, like washing your cup. Okay. So you could really manage washing, but then you have to rinse it. The easiest thing to do it is just to remove the pump. Luckily we have a dishwasher. If you've been watching us for a while, you know we have a dishwasher in the awning. But sometimes you just have one thing to wash and you don't feel bothered to empty your dishwasher. That's another stage of being super lazy. Are you also guilty of that? Let me know. Yeah, so we've been coping, but honestly, this new water pump cannot arrive soon enough. So here is the challenge for you, ladies and gents, fellow freedom seekers, if you consider living on wheels, either in a caravan or in a motorhome, if you consider doing full-time van life, there will be opportunities for living without running water. I can assure you of that. So you'd better learn to use it sparingly, to save it, to appreciate it. And if you live in a flat or in a house and you think they are not good enough, they are not big enough, they could be better, nicer, more up to date. If you think you need even more stuff or even more comforts in a place where you live, I dare you, turn the water tap off. Turn the water off and your perspective will change completely. So let me know in the comments if you've tried, how it worked, whether you've changed your thinking about water and about life in general. And who knows, maybe you've been through it. Maybe you've brushed your teeth in a cup of water like me today. Maybe you've experienced not having access to clean water in your life. Let me know in the comments. Here is the solution to all our problems. Less than £25. Yes, yes, please. Whoa, that was quick. Hello, baby. We've been waiting for you. There it is. Look, such a small thing. A life-changing thing. Less than £25 on Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. By the way, do you use our referral link? Do you want to support us? If you want to support the channel, please use our Amazon link each time you shop on Amazon. Can't wait to feed you. Can't wait to have our life again, our normal, convenient life in a caravan. So this is the thing which happens when you live in a caravan or in a motorhome full time. You use it as your home. You use things like water pumps every day, and they do break. So this is something you have to plan for. Luckily, most of the equipment is easy to replace. But honestly, this is the best spent £25 of my life. Wow, cheers my dears. So good, the best water ever. So I encourage you to endure the challenge of living without running water. Let me know how you got on. And I encourage you to cherish those little things. That's a shortcut to happiness. And definitely living a simple lifestyle, living in a caravan or in a motorhome really teaches you to appreciate simple things we take for granted. This is definitely a shortcut to happiness. Do you agree? Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel, especially if you're a regular viewer, regular commentator. We really appreciate your time and your presence. Sue, Graham, Steve, Vasilika, thank you so much. You are amazing. You keep us going. And if you are new to the channel, you enjoyed watching this video, you want to see more videos of what it's like to live in a caravan full-time in the UK, consider subscribing to the channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.